now that we have our 45s cut, what we can do, the reason we did the 45s first, it's much easier to measure off to a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to go ahead and change the saw back to 90. And you only want as much blade height as you need. And we've determined for our cabinet, the next cut we need to make will be 21 inches.
To the inside of the blade.
To the inside of the blade. And now that we're at 21, we can go ahead and cut our first side. And now that we've cut one at 21, given our method of construction, we're using 3/4 inch material. So 21 minus 3/4, we need to make a next cut 20 and 1/4. And we'll make the cut. Now that we've got our sides constructed, we're going to go ahead and switch back to the track saw and start making some wood ash triangles. We're going to do a brief sanding real quick because once we assemble these sides together, we're not going to be able to get in with the sander, so we have to sand our pieces real quickly before we start the assembly process. We're going to start some assembly right here. 19.5 heavy. So first thing I'm going to do here, make it flush and flush, and we're going to tack it together with the nail gun.
Oh, God.
Alright, we've got it tacked together. So now what we're going to do,
Hit some dabs.
Nathan's going to hit some dabs. When you're building a cabinet, you always want to make sure before you drill your holes that it's nice and square. Okay, measurements are good, so now we're going to set up for making triangles.
Sounds good.
Alright, now that we have our base assembled, we're going to go ahead and rip a piece down with the track saw to start making our triangle shelves and our tops and bottoms. And we determined that that thickness we need to rip it is 13 7/8.
For sure.
I feel it's very important to let any of our watchers know that we listen to a full Metallica playlist while we do this. Shout out to Metallica, they're the best.
Yeah, Metallica is the best.
Is that still running?
Yes. But it's very important when getting these very accurate measurements.
So what I did,
You need to be at the top of your game. You need to be
well, you need to be well dabbed.
focused.
So now that we've cut a 45, now we're going to come to our very point here. make a pencil mark. And want to make sure we mount the track saw.
First, we want to measure here just to make sure. Well, I should have
Let's
probably
see how
put a
it fits.
support under here. But, you know, it'll be fine. Yeah.
We were just a fraction off. So we're going to come back across that and clean up our cut.
Yeah, I always say it's better to be a little long and come back.
Yes, sir.
Real time.
Real time. I like it. Got a little chinger there, but you're not going to see that because that's on the top.